Okay, now it's time to make a video. So, down here, you see I haven't went and bought clamps yet, so I just taped the connections together. There's my two 2-into-1s, and then those two go into my 2-into-1 with my baffle. Still gotta do a mount for that bottom piece there. You see a little rubber grommet. Goes into my pipe, and I'm thinking I'm just gonna weld that together, so I don't need to get a clamp for that. There's my cool fancy mount for my can, and let's hear it run. And I just blew some of my tape out.